Yeah, so thank you to Thuse for a great lesson. I've never driven standard before. And, after this lesson, I feel like I'm comfortable to at least drive around, and it was very patient. Stalled the car many times, but I feel very confident now that I can drive a manual car, so thank you.
We'll see right now. Here you go. Right.
Okay.
Don't rush. Take your time. Start the car. Long distance, remember, right? Smooth and steady wins the race. Change gears, no gas, right?
Right.
And uphills, try not to change gear. Clutch home and then press the gas. Clutch keep to the side. Footrest area, yeah, and press the gas. You don't want to be on the clutch. The only reason why I tell people like, don't change the gears going uphill, because when you change the gears, gravity is going to slow you down and it's going to make you even slower, right?
Right.
It's okay, right?
Yeah, very good. Very good.